Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am revealing my favorite new Excel feature, as you can see, that is changing the way I work. ChatGPT integration inside the Excel. Imagine asking Excel to write formulas, extract names, cities from the messy text. You even build full tables just by typing a prompt. No coding, no complex magic. So just pure AI magic. And end of this video, I will show you how to link Excel with ChatGPT for deeper insights, guys. So, guys, please make sure to watch this video till the end. Every step matters if you want to get the full benefit. So, let me show you how it works step by step. So, guys, as I said, one of the coolest additions to Excel is the ability to use ChatGPT directly within your spreadsheet. I mean, Excel spreadsheet. So, here is how to get started. So, guys, once installed, once you get added in your Excel, so guys, you can see that example the first example I'm asking to the chat GPT. See here the question I mentioned here. Give me a formula to sum only greater than 5 from the list. So I'm asking to the chat GPT to please give me answer for this. So for that just type AI dot ask function, and from here just open the parenthesis and just close the parenthesis. Yeah. Just see, there you go. You can use the following formula in Excel to sum only the values greater than 5 from a list. And if you come right, yeah, Excel sum if A1 to A10 than 5 in the formula, just replace A1 to with the actual range of your list. So this formula will sum the numbers in the specified range that are greater than 5. So guys, it's cool, right? It's awesome, right? We'll see another example. So guys, this time we'll ask from ChatGPT to provide the, because already we have given the list of names and you can see the names in like in a Messi like it. I'm not giving direct. My name is Amar. Sunil is a good guy. I'm on study 10th class. Aryan loves cricket. My name is Raj. So I'm giving uh, in this format, and I'm asking to ChatGPT to provide the only just extract the name from the given list. So to get this one, just type yeah equal AI, and this time you have to go with extract function. And guys, from here just select the list of rows and give comma and you the difference. Then close the parenthesis. Yeah, go. See the chat GPT, I mean that AI extracted the names from the given the list. Yeah. So chat GPT will scan the text and return the corrected names even if they are messy in the sentences. I will see another example on the chat GPT. Give me the top 5 biggest country in the worldwide population. So this time we'll ask the table because we have been asking the table format. So you go here and here just if go. They're giving rank 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 country, China, India, United States, Indonesia, Pakistan. And the population you can see areas, square, density, population. Automatically Excel will populate a full table with accurate data. Now we'll see installing the chat GPT in Excel. So guys, you just go to home section. You can see the home section here and add in. And from here guys, just go and select the chat GPT. So for me already I have installed, I means I already added. So in your case, just go and add on. Just click on the add. Automatically after the chat GPT added in your given section. Similar way you can add many things. So like Python I have already added. So this way guys you can get the chat GPT. I mean this way you can integrate the chat GPT with Excel. And the guys bonus tip like that if you open the chat GPT here and you can see also you can work like this how the copilot works, right? This, so this way you can also then open the newbie panel. This acts like a chat bot where you can ask questions about your data and get instant insights. So guys, let me know if you have any questions in your mind regarding the custom prompt library or formulas, template, or text me in the comment section. I can help you build a full AI powered Excel toolkit. Guys, if you found this video is helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.